before 7. Time to go on. About a couple of months ago, we started listening to a podcast on the way to and from, and she really likes Wow in the World and also the magic of Disney, and it's the Frozen podcast. And it lasts about as long as it does to get there, so I download one before school every day. Landon's naked. 4 days till Disney.
And 1 more day. Tomorrow's pajama day.
Tomorrow's pajama day at school. I have to block Landon because she's naked. Daddy, come say goodbye. Daddy's leaving for Vegas.
See you on travel day, everybody.
Mommy, I'm not feeling good.
Why?
I'm hot.
You can't be naked.
On tippy toes.
There you go.
And I'm naked. Blah, blah.
2 more days of school. Then school's out for summer.
And my butt's in your face.
It's not good. 20, I need to get her to school by 9. So she's about to come downstairs from hopefully getting dressed. There is one good tip I have for you guys that I learned. She obviously was not listening, getting out of the house on time, which is typical for this age. So like I said, she gets an hour of screen time a day. So what I say is my time is very important. We have to be on time. I have things to do while you're in school. For every minute that you are late, 5 minutes comes off your hour movies. It works. She's motivated. She's excited. She gets it done because she's been like 10 seconds late and I still take it off. She knows I don't play. Today's agenda, I'm going to get my hair done. So just like highlights and haircut. So I'm going to take her to school, come back, probably like shower, get a few things done, go get my hair done, and then go and pick her right back up because getting her hair done takes forever. And then it's Janet tonight, Miss Jackson if you're nasty. Woo! I'm so excited.
I'm gonna get out of bed and then get in the car and go.
Yeah, because it's pajama day?
Yeah.
2 more days of school. We're going to take your puzzle, right? Okay, go get shoes on. Time to go.
2 days forever.
Not forever, for the summer.
Mommy, I'm not going to that school next year. I'm going to,
I know, a different school.
so, forever.
2 days, yeah, Miss Judith's class.
And then, goodbye. I don't want to leave.
Get your shoes on. All right, making a coffee to get my hair done. This is the before with the roots and the dead ends. If you guys have been here a while, I started getting these again with gestational diabetes. I put half of it in my coffee, so when I'm in a hurry, it's a way to get like 8 grams of protein when you don't have time to eat. So, headed to, I had to put some makeup on, even though we're doing Janet tonight, I just can't sit. Oh my gosh, my hair's so greasy from doing sauna. I just can't sit in front of the mirror all day without something on my face. This is my mom's Disney mug, and it makes me happy to use it. While I was in the bath, which I like to take, oh hi. There was a surprise Lily sale this morning, and I'd already done a Lily shopping for teachers' gifts. I like getting them Lily gifts, like lunch bags, planners, to-do notebooks, things like that. Anyways, I spent money. Probably too much. You know, it's just like the fingers get cold. It looks so good. Cannot handle my roots anymore. She did such a good job. I'm here at Joseph Anthony in Glen Mills with Crystal. She does a really good job cutting thick hair. It's hard to find someone who can cut thick hair. Unfortunately, it's a 25-minute drive to get to Power of Two Montessori and Kennett, but it's straight up Route 1. So, I don't know. I don't even have time to stop. Maybe I'll get her chicken. There's some gas station chicken that my husband and daughter. Okay, so there are two amazing places. There is this gas station guy in the parking lot who makes smoked ribs and smoked chicken. And my daughter and my husband love both. And then there's the produce place. It is the most fantastic vegetarian any place. It's got like smoothies, fresh fruit, local wraps, the best local guac and chips. I love, love, love the produce place. I'm gonna miss it. So I think we might hit up both today. Come on. Come on. Landon, we are home from school. She is listening to the Frozen podcast. She couldn't wait to listen to it. Finishing her delicious peach mango smoothie, which I had as well. So I did too much shopping this week, and one thing I got, I got the base Weekender bag for free from the Flyers, and I really loved it. That was a great design. So I checked out their website. I asked for their packing cubes for Mother's Day. I think someone forgot that I asked for them. So I ordered those, and those haven't arrived yet. But I love my hanging toiletry bag from Lily, but it's just too small. So I got a base one. And then I also did, Janie and Jack had an awesome sale, so I'll show you that. That arrived this weekend. And then the other thing that arrived was my Shop Disney haul, and I'm very excited about that with my awesome Loungefly. So I will put both of those in here. I'm so excited for this, Landon. This is for our Disney cruise in September. This was just too cute not to get. And this was on sale at Janie and Jack. Embarkation Day, and then look at this beautiful bow. How cute would that be for Embarkation Day? And then, of course, we're there July 4th, so this bow will come with us. It's just a beautiful summer dress. I have like a palm romper from Lily, so I thought that would look cute for just the summer. It's a little big for size 7. Might have to wait for next year. And then a 2-piece little ice cream bathing suit, rash guard. She's so thin on the bottom, it might fall off of her. And then this cute, beautiful, it's nice and big, pink Disney bow. I love Janie and Jack. Oh, yeah. Oh, I ordered a skirt. I forgot. I ordered a skirt and a makeup palette. It's cuter than I thought. Look, Phil. Oh my gosh, it even has red on the strap. What?
That was pretty awesome.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? Mm-hmm. Super Americana. Love it. Good job, Loungefly. And then you can put ears here. I've never had a Loungefly where you can do like ears right here.
Oh, it's a different zipper.
It's an ear holder. You put the ears in there. Is that cool?
How do you strap them in?
I mean, so the ears go wah and wah, and then you strap them in for the rides. So cute. Very interesting. So it does seem to be deeper than a typical Loungefly, because this, I think this is my 19th or 20th, I can't remember. Loungefly, like this seems like the normal size, but then you have this expanded area which you can put things as well. So cute. So it has the front pocket, the side pockets. What is that? It's like plastic on it. The side pockets for your phone, and then the liner has stars and Mickeys on the inside, but there isn't a little like pocket there that zips up, which I like, but I guess you have this. So cute. I'm excited to take it to 4th of July. I used the Beauty and the Beast palette. I really think it's pretty. Look. Do you like it? I used Cogsworth and Belle. Do I look like Belle? We are going to a birthday party today. Ooh. This is fancy. You like it? Ooh. For here and to go. That's really nice. It's gonna be so nice. Yeah, this is really good quality. So it's like this with a carrying handle. And then it hangs. It's gonna be really nice for travel. It is 2:30. My friend comes over at 6 and then a car picks us up at 6:15. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do any packing tonight. I'm just probably gonna be like organizing the house and catching up on laundry. So that might be it for countdown to Disney 4 days away for today. And then tomorrow, hopefully I'm not too hungover. It's her last day of school. I think that's gonna be it for today. I'll show you a little bit of Janet tonight and I'll see you tomorrow. Got my Janet outfit on. I'm ready to party. Ignore my messy room. I'm so excited. One of my friends has a migraine. It's not coming, but we're still gonna have like the best time ever. Go Janet. Miss Jackson if you're nasty. Nasty. Nasty girls. Don't mean a thing. And Nellie's opening. It's getting hot and caught my eye. Thought you wanna hang for a while. Making landings tonight, getting some Janet going.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.